Yeah, good evening. My name is Adekunle Adeshola Abiodun. I'm here to present about the server manager dashboard, which we have to promote our server to a domain control, which is the ADDS have to be in this server dashboard. So firstly, I've already opened my server manager, which I have to. After then, I click on the add rows and features, which we have to add the following wizard selected, which is the Active Directory Domain Service row that we are told to do in this particular assignment. So I go further, I click on it. So when I click on it, it brings me here before you begin, and it shows me the wizard helps to install all the features that we need to do. And after then, I click next for me to proceed to the next cell, which I have to click on the row basis and the features based installation, and that is where I click on. We are still going to the Active Directory Domain Service, which we are going to install on this particular. That is where we proceed like this, and after then we go to the next. So this is the server selection, so which is my name. I've already created the VM machine, which bear my name Adeshola 235. That is already there. So I'm trying to create a new forest, which is that brings up this add sign ensign.cop. Okay, so after then I proceed to the next, which I'm going to click some of those installation that I will need to do here, which is the Active Directory Domain Service that I'm going to be installed. So once I click that next, it automatically picks up those features that are supposed to add, which is the file and the storage, and Active Directory Domain Service, which is already there, which is about to be installed on the Server Manager dashboard. After that, I click the next, and it pick all the group policy management install, the byte local drive encryption install, and all those necessary features that are supposed to be there. That goes with the Active Directory domain. And after then, I click next, it will install automatically, which is showing here. It install all the features that are supposed to go with it. So after the installation, when I'm doing the installation, there is supposed to become here, which we have to click on a prompt supposed to come, which have to tell us that choose to promote this server to a domain controller, which we have to click. Now the feature supposed to come here when we are installing it, comes here. So that's why I have to click. I click on the notification here, so it shows here. So once it shows here, I will click on the remote this server to a domain control. So once I click that features that shows there, it takes me to where I'm going to add a new forest. So it takes me, I'm going to add the new forest. So when it takes me there, how to add the new forest, that is where it shows here. It shows here that I'm going to, when I click that add the new forest, it takes me to, after clicking on the add the new forest, I have to put this ensign.cop, which I put there. After then, it takes me to enter the root domain name, which is the ensign.cop. Why I'm entering that, it wants me to be on the server through the name of my name to be on the server. So once I do that, once I click on that, and that one was done, it install everything. It sets me to a strong directory service restore mode, that I have to create a password, and that password is the one that I'm supposed not to forget. So it's the password that will be able to make a way for me to recover it or hack, or if I lost anything, I'll be able to recover it. So the password is what I'm going to use to recover it. Then it will be forced to create a new VM from there. So it allowed me to install the what's it called, the features and complete with the server. So after doing that, we add a new forest. After that, it shows automatically to install himself. So the server has to restart himself for me to be able to log into my domain administrator, which I've already done all that. That's what brings me all here. So after then, it takes me to log in through my password that I've put with the ensign. It takes me there, and after that installation, it brings, that is when the ADDS was installed, the DNS was installed, the file storage service was installed. So all those things are there, and once I log in, it restarts. Once I restart, it now show me that I have to go, which I have to confirm where maybe is already done. All my installation is already done. So I have to go to my Open Task Manager, which is my control. I can go here to go to my command control. So once I go there, I put this is what I'm supposed to put, that supposed to put the command which says I have to put I have to type who am I. So if I say who am I have to press the enter for me to see. So you can see that once I put who am I, it shows that I'm inside the domain control now, the ensign and my name Adeshola 235. So it shows that it shows my ensign and my username. So it is a domain account that shows that the computer name and my name is in a local account. So that's how I created my own server. So I have my own domain server now, which I can be able to go in. It means I'm in the server now. So that's how I created this DSS Active Directory domain service. Thank you.